Hey everybody, I'm Sean Smith and this is Salty Jobs. Hey everyone, we're here today at AERE Marine Group where they manufacture fenders and fender covers for all sizes of boats. They just celebrated their 20-year anniversary, so let's go see what this operation's all about. We're here with Daniel, who is the Fender Sox production manager at AERE. Daniel, what is a Fender Sox?
Oh, a Fender Sox is a marine grade cover made to go over any boat fender to protect the fender, protect the boat, protect whatever it can, and also just make everything prettier.
So you make the fabric right here in this room?
Yeah, well, we use two fabrics, one of which is made right here. We knit in these machines 4 different diameters of material to then make into the fender covers.
So this machine actually makes all the fabric?
Yeah, so all the yarns go in here, knit together, and form into one diameter of material to come down the fabric.
Can you show me how it's done?
I could, but as we walked up, I noticed there's a break in this particular machine, and I'm gonna have to fix it.
Okay, well let's see how to fix it. So Daniel, how long have you been doing this?
My father started the company when I was 11. My first boat show as sales was at about age 12.
You got me beat by like 15 years.
So yeah, a 12-year-old trying to sell people fenders and convince them why they need fenders and covers on their boats was a hard sell.
I could imagine, but I bet at this point you're an expert.
I'm getting there. I've been managing down here for about 5 years now.
I'm looking forward to learning some of your expertise here today. Daniel taught me how to identify the broken needle, remove it, and put a new needle back in its place. So what's the next step after this?
All right, next step is we take the roll of material into the other room and cut a fender cover.
Let's do it. Next, the team showed me how to use the template to outline the cover so that it can be cut to size. The cut material is then taken to the sewing department to be made into covers. Once the sewing is complete, the customer has the option to personalize the Fender Sox by having their logo embroidered. We use the sponge and water to dissolve away the extra material. I'm here with Kevin, who does quality control and packaging at AERE.
Yep.
Kevin, what's your story? How'd you get started doing this?
My story is simple, man. Out of high school, I was in college looking for a part-time job. My uncle's the warehouse supervisor on the other side, and he just called me one day and said, hey, you want a job? And I said, yeah. And I started in the repair department.
Have your responsibilities grown since then?
A little bit. I do a lot more now. I'm quality control. I watch the machines. I do everything a little bit.
So this one's all packed up. Do you know where this one's going?
This one's gonna go out to a customer in the Mediterranean.
Wow, so you guys are really international, huh?
Yeah, we ship everywhere.
Well, Kevin, I really appreciate you working with me today. Thank
John,
you for your time.
Thanks a lot, man.
It was a really productive day making Fender Sox for customers all over the world. What's your title?
Fender Sox production manager.
Fender Sox production manager?
Fender.
Fender?
Fender.
Fender Sox, so like the Boston accent.
Kinda, yeah.
Fender Sox.
Almost.